Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eesha. So today's look I have created for Halloween. It's nothing too crazy, but it has that edge to the look which will make it look more put together. So I have already applied primer and now I'm using Derma cream foundation all over my face and blending it properly. Next is concealer. As you see, I need some concealer under my eye, and with that I'm going to highlight my forehead and bridge of the nose. Here I'm using Nye Cream Concealer. Now next, I will contour my nose. It's one of my favorite thing to do. It gives the illusion of slimmer nose, which I love by the way. And now blend it properly. Next, I'm going to bake my under eye and jawline with any setting powder you have, and let's wait for a minute. Till then, why to waste time? Let's do the brows. So here I'm using Benefit Ka brows to fill in my eyebrows. And the wait is over. Let's remove the excess powder from your face. Here I am using Makeup Revolution powder contour to contour my face wherever it is required. And now let's add some blusher. I am using Nye Blush Palette onto my cheeks. Moving on, next to the eyes. You don't need any eyeshadow for this look. Just any liquid lipstick you guys own, you can use it for this look. I'm using Sugar Deep Dead Red. Start with lining your eyes with a liner brush. Then create a crease above your natural crease line. Then extend it towards the end of your eyebrows. And then fill your empty space. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and yeah, if you have any kind of suggestion, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. Finish your eye makeup with a waterproof mascara. I'm using Huda Beauty highlighter on high points of my face. Finish your look with same liquid lipstick which we used on our eyes.